What y'all tell me? Yo, if you not try your recipe, I don't know what y'all deal with, dog. Let me pause it for a second. I don't know what y'all deal with. Yo, your food are wicked. Listen, hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk. Ain't no Budget Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through these cabinets and this refrigerator and create a tasty meal for you. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so join me right quick when we go through these cabinets and see what we got for this week, Budget Wednesday. Mr. Cabinets of Dreams. Let's see what we have up there today. Woo! Maple syrup, you're always in front, huh? Let's go. Ooh. Yeah, I got some Ackee. You know what I mean? Got some Ackee. Let's see what we can do with that. What else we got? Man, I got outer palms. I got a lot of outer palms. Let's see what we can do with that too. Oh, yeah, I guess anything else? Oh, nope, not that. I want no butter beans. Let's see. Do we have anything else? Oh, no. Oh, there's a milk right here. Okay, so we can do that bad boy. All right, we got a couple things out of the fridge. Thank you very much. Let's go into the refrigerator, see what we got for this week. Someone didn't go shopping, not at all. All right, let's go into our little magic box. Oh, we have some pretty things. We got some peppers, some bell peppers, red, green, yellow like the Jamaican flag, I guess. We have the Jamaican food today, more likely. We have some scallion. We have some thyme. Tell him the time, Mario. Tell him the time. Let me see what else we have. Oh, we got some peppers. Okay, we have some Scotch bonnet pepper. All right, can I do something with that as well? Ooh. You know, sir, I want to try this cheese. Let's see what we can do with that cheese too. And what else we have? Let's see what else we have. I have a bag full of onions. Bag full of onions, yeah, okay. We tried that bad boy as well. What else we have? Long as we don't have nothing else. Okay. Alright, well that's the refrigerator for right now. Oh, let me go into the freezer. Woo! I never go in this part of the fridge, do I? Never. Well, let's see what we're doing at today. We have some green beans. Nope. We have some peas. We can use that. And then we have some corn. And we can use that too. What else we have? That's it. You want some ice cream? You want ice cream? No ice cream. Alright, let's get out of the fridge, the freezer. Alright, so now we'll decide what I want to make this week. Because I don't know what I'm going to make, so I'm just going to put anything. So let's put anything on the magic box. Alright, so we have ackee and saltfish over that side of the place. We have peas and then we have tomato. Oh, we have tomatoes on top of right here. And so we have pastas. All kind of pasta. Woo. Pasta sound good still, my youth. Alright, so I think I know what I'm gonna make. I think I know what I'm gonna make. Stay tuned, people. Stay tuned. Alright? Alright, people. So after looking at all of my ingredients, I decided to go with a Ackee Rasta Pasta. Stay tuned, people.
Children are nice and you sleep and slumber. No come here so we bow with they are so we conquer. Strictly love while you envy your brother. No make them rearrange you in a different manner. If you do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing? Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing. You should be thankful. The lights of folks that are still shining. Why should I change to gain acceptance? Can't tell an next man of who we're in pants. Lift up the name of Jah in abundance. So every single thing we do in life we get a sentence. But we won't be like a fleet. Just like the only more we see. And the less say you will speak my brother. Don't you be like a stubborn sheep. I say blessed are he when men shall revile you.
Pasta. time for some ackee. Yeah.
Children are rise and you sleep and slumber. No come here so we bow with there so we conquer. Strictly love while you envy your brother. No make them rearrange you in a different manner. If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father, name is the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing? I won't they do what they want and let me do my thing. Thankful, the lights of hope are still shining. Shine. Wrong they complain. Even if we call the Father, name is the same what they want.
Youngsters, my father, sing. Back in 20th century, long gone misery, left me alone. I grew up amongst the mud breed, so my mind couldn't find a place to rest until I got this thug black tattoo on my chest. Nigga never see me when I'm living in the past. They wouldn't last. Me pop off and first the blast. You knew my father, he was a gangster in the street, but now he's gone. Me the yes, I still that beat. He may rest in peace. Now I'm heading for the streets. I remember me. So many youngies in the cemetery. Seems as if I am a missionary. But when I'm gone, yo, my mama gon' cry for me. Cry for me. Oh, oh. Cry for me. Take me away from all the pressure and all the pain. Show me some happiness again. I'm going blind. I spend my time downstairs. I live in bed. You know my destiny is hell, but till I fail. My mind is so misleading. I couldn't see. I got a brain full of demons trying to break free. I know one day I die, but when I die, I'll be stepping with my Father and the Most High. Everybody gon' cry for me. Yeah, my niggas don't cry for me. But I'll be still around. No one knows my struggle.
Yo, the finished meal is upon us. Woo! Ackee Rasta Pasta there, people. Oh man, listen, this smells so good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Enough of the long talking. Enough of the long talking. Let's do the sampling first, and then we come back to it because my mind is salivating real quick. Let's see. Ooh, look at the cheesy consistency in that bad boy. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Let's see it. Hot. Budget Wednesday, what y'all tell me, people? What y'all tell me? Yo, if you not try your recipe, I don't know what y'all deal with, dog. You have to pause it for a second. I don't know what y'all deal with. Yo, your food are wicked. Listen, people. Thank you guys for indulging me for a second there. My bad, I lost my sense of thought. Anyways, guys, this recipe right there, so I did lick my yod. Ackee and saltfish, Rasta pasta, vegan style. You see me, I say? Yo, anyways. It's real simple, real easy. It took me probably about, let's say, 30 minutes to make the entire meal because I had to prep everything and all that good stuff. Recipe, if you want this one, link me up. Email down below or DM me, alright? But of course, don't forget if you're not following me or subscribe to my page or one of my members, then you're not gonna get this recipe. I drop my mic. Send me an email if you want a recipe here, people. It's delicious. Guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm about to go ahead and make this pasta become a part of me and me part of it. So, I know what I'm saying, because the food's so good. When the food's so good, you don't know what you're talking about. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend about a friend. And if you want this recipe, email me. I think I'm about to go take this bad boy up. Happy Wednesday. Enjoy your day. Peace!
me.